Next topic is turn the next page. Let's find a pattern. Let's find a pattern. Look at these. Write the dates of Sundays in order. Write the dates of Sundays in order. And then all of you look at this calendar, December 2015. Here we can see Sunday. How many Sundays are in? Yes, 6, 13, 20 and 27. And that date we can write in these boxes in order. First Sunday in this month 6. Then second Sunday is 13. 13. Then 13 after which is the date of that Sunday? Yes, 20. Then 27. Okay. Then next question. Write the dates of Mondays. Write the dates of Mondays. Then look at this calendar. Yes, Monday. Which is the first Monday? Yes, 7. 7 after 14, 21, 28. Then write in these boxes in order. First Monday is 7. Then second is 14. Then third is 21. Then last Monday is 28. 28. Okay. Then all of you write in that box like that. Okay. Then my dear student, look at these numbers 7, 14, 21, 28. Any peculiarities in these numbers? Look at these numbers and find the differences. 7, 14. Which is the difference? Yes. Which is the difference? 7 plus 7 we get 14. 7 plus 14. Sorry, 7 plus 7 we get 14. Then find it. The next number 14 plus 21. Which is the difference? 14 plus 7 is the difference. Try it. 14 plus 7. That is 14 after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yes, 7 is the difference. Then 21 and 28. Which is the difference? Again 7 is the difference. Then we have to understand. Then next is Monday. Next Monday we get, yes, 7 is added to previous Monday. We get the next Mondays. Then look at these Sundays in order. Yes, 6 and 13. Which is the differences? 6 after which number is added? Yes, again 7. 7 is added. We get next Sunday. Seven is added. Yes. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, 7 is added. Then look at this another example 13 and 20. Which is the differences in between that Sundays? 13 after 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Again 7 is the difference. So we can understand 7 is added to previous date. We get the next Sunday and next Monday. Did you clear? Then one question is, one Monday of a month is 20th. One Monday of a month is 20th. What is the date of the next Monday? Then what we'll do to find that next Monday? Here we have given 20 is the date of Monday. Then we have to understand 20 plus 7. We get the next Monday. Okay, 20 plus 7 we get the next Monday. Then write in that box 20 plus 7. 20 is the date of Monday. Then we have to find the next Monday. Then what we'll do? 20 plus 7. That is 27. Yes. 27 is the date of the next Monday. Did you clear? Okay. The next question. What about the Monday after that? Monday after next day is? Monday after next day? Tuesday. Then what is the date? 28. 28. Okay. Next question. December 22nd to 31st are holidays. We know that. How many days are these? How many days are in this total between 22 and 31? Then what we'll do? Yes, subtract 31 minus 22. How many days are these? Then subtract it. Subtract. 1 minus 2 is not possible. So what we'll do? Borrow 1 from 3. That is 3 become 2 and 1 become 11. Then 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2 is? Then 2 after. Count forward counting. 2 after. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is 9. Then 2 minus 2 is 0. That is how many days are there? 9 days. Then write here 9. Clear? Okay. December 22 and 31. Between how many days are there? 9 days are holidays. Okay. I hope you all understood that. Then next question. Let's do marriage in the forest. Kingini, the deer is getting married. All the animals in the forest are so happy. Shankaran, the monkey, is in charge of the feast. Here we can see in this forest, deer's married. Then her friends are collected so many things. We have to see in this picture, the animals started coming with various things to celebrate that feast, celebrate that marriage function. Then elephant collected how many coconut? Yes, 35 coconut. And deer collected 18 pineapples. And horse collected how many pineapples? Yes, 27 pineapple. And rabbit collected? Yes, 42 papaya. And fox collected 67 papaya. And monkeys collected 30 coconut. Okay, then look at this question. Who brought more coconut? Who brought more coconut? Look at this picture. Here, two animals, elephant and monkeys, are collected coconut. And look at these numbers, 35 and 30. Which is the biggest number? 35. That is, elephant collected more coconut. Then all of you write in that box, elephant. Elephant. Okay, then next question. How many more? How many more? How many more? Then what we'll do? Yes, 35 minus 30. 35 collected by elephant and monkeys collected 30 coconut. Then we have to find which is more. How many more? Then 35 minus 30 is? Yes, 5. 5 coconuts are more collected by elephant than monkey. Did you understand? Then all of you write in that box, Okay. Then next question. How many coconuts are there in all? How many coconuts are there in all? Then what we'll do? Yes, add it. How many coconuts are there in all? That means we have to add the total number of coconut. That is 35 plus 30. 35 plus 30. All of you add. Down to down add. 35 plus 30. That means 5. 5 is right in the ones place. And 3 plus 3 is 6. That is 65. All of you write in this down to down add. Okay. Okay. Next question. 55 coconuts are needed for the feast. Would there be any coconut left? If so, how many? The question is 55 coconuts are needed for the feast. We know how many coconuts are there in total. 65. 65 coconuts are in total in our hand. But in the feast, only needed how many coconuts? Only needed 55 coconuts. Then we have to find how many coconuts are remaining. How many coconuts are left it. Then what we'll do? Yes, subtract. How will you subtract? Total number of coconut minus how many coconuts are needed in that feast. So subtract 65 minus 65 is the total number of coconut. And how many coconuts are needed in that feast? 55 coconuts. Then subtract it. 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 5, 1. That is 10 coconuts are needed. 10 coconuts are needed in that. 10 coconuts are remaining after that function. 10 coconuts are remaining and 10 coconuts are left that. Okay. The next question. How many pineapples in all? How many pineapples in all? That is the first question. And second question, 8 of them were left after that feast. After that feast, how many pineapples are left? How many papayas are remaining? 8 pineapples are remaining. Then our question is, how many were used for the feast? How many were used for the feast? Then we have to find how many pineapples are used in that feast. Then what we'll do? First we have to find how many pineapples in all. Find for how many pineapples in total that animals are collected. Then look at these. Yes, deers collected 18 pineapple and horse collected 27 pineapples. First we have to find how many pineapples in all. Then what we'll do? Yes, we have to add 18 plus 27. That is 8 plus 7 is 15. 15. Then 5 is right in this one's place and remaining 1 right in the 10th place. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. That is 45 pineapples in total. Then how many pineapples are left it after that feast? 8 pineapples are left it. Then what we'll do to find how many pineapples are used? So we have to find 45 minus 8. 45 minus 8. 45 minus 8. That is, yes, 8 minus 5. 5 minus 8 is not possible. So borrowing 1 from 4. Then 4 become 3 and if 5 become 15. Then 15 minus 8 is 7. Then 3 writing this down. That is 37 pineapples are used in that function. So all of you write box 45 minus 8, that is equal to, which is the answer? Yes, 37. Okay. Then next question. They used 100 papayas. Would there be papaya left? If so, how many? Then the question is, in that feast function, they used how many papayas? 100 papayas. The question is, if any papayas are left it after that function, feast function, then what we'll do? First find how many total papayas are there. How many total papayas are there? You have to find that here. That is 42 papayas are collected by rabbit and 67 papayas are collected by fox. Then total papayas, how will you find it? 42 plus 67. 42 plus 57. 7 plus 2 is 9. Then 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is, sorry, number is wrong. 42 plus 67. Sorry, fox is collected, not 57, 67. So, you have to write 67. Okay, then count it. 7 plus 2 is 9. Then 6 plus 4 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. That is, answer is 109 papayas are in total. 109. Then what we'll do? How many papayas are left? 109. Subtract. How many papayas are used? 100 papayas are. So subtract 109 minus 100. Then we have to find how many papayas are left it. Okay. Did you understand? Okay, then all of you subtract. Total papayas are 109. 109 minus, how many papayas are used? 100 papayas are. Then subtract it. 109 minus 100. That is, answer is, yes, 9. 9 papayas are left it. Okay.